Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's me, Can't Stop Money, and we are back inside the hyperbolic reaction chamber. And this is another reaction to Konosuba, an explosion on this wonderful world. This is Mega Man Show episodes 3 and 4. We got 2 episodes, 1 video today. So guys, yeah, the last 2 episodes have been very enjoying it a lot. You know, these characters, the Chinubio, everything. So I can't wait to see what happens next. Let's go ahead and hop into it, man. Without further ado, the video will be played right here in this corner. This is Konosuba, an explosion on this wonderful world, episodes 3 and 4, right now. Oh, what is this? Clothes? What are you talking about? Some loose for? So that's where the booby slap come from. Environmental friendly. Yep, Mega Man big boobs. Right. Oh yeah, that's right. They call Chomsky Mega Man. Ink? Okay then. How did Chomsky come to be? Not food. What? Ah, this sounded kind of lonely. Look at her face. Yeah, them the ones that accepted you. Say that again. Come on. Hey, look, please. Cringeworthy. I'm using words like that. And I mean, I'm talking about you just eating it up. Like, it's okay, we're friends. Oh my god. Oh my god. They just worked so hard on that. Nice animation though. Yeah, you're victorious. Ding ding ding. I'm talking about just snatched all that friendship moment from her. Oh my goodness. She'll take. I'm talking about she is taking what she can get right now and making me just snatched it away. Uh-oh. Oh, they're gonna go. He called him a neat. Uh-huh, you don't say. How that's great. Look at everybody. Bury him in books? Oh my goodness. You buried him in books. Oh yeah, there goes Toketo. Yeah, that's her. Right here. My goodness. What are we doing here? Look how he's wrapped around the tree. Oh my. And he's broke. Man, you trying to get an upskirt look? So close, man. You're so close. She is fine, though. I ain't gonna... Oh! And then she know about it. It's quite the... What? I mean, well, you know, at least it's not a stalker. What the hell? One punch bears. That's very cool. That's very cool. Show off. Show off. Hey, man. here? He got drilled. He the GOAT. Oh. Wow. I'm talking about they finna have a fight to the death. That's quite the opposite of what he wants. Here we go. Soketo. Soketo. Come on, who is it? Nobody? The dude has nobody? He's gonna die alone? I'm sure. Yeah, he just gotta keep trying in a wholesome way. Yeah, very. Absolutely. Very. Very. Gosh. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. It's a very cool dagger. That was funny. Another battle. I thought she put the dukes up. Oh man, yeah. Yeah, resume the rivalry tomorrow. Huh? Oh, really? 4 points? Yeah, she has been grinding and saving up. I remember she said that. Oh, look at that. First place. What is it, Yun? We need to talk. A hero. Who could that be? Oh. Oh my god, look at this. Quite the opposite, but well, except darkness. Oh, nice animation quality. That is, I won't lie to you. Well, I won't lie to you. That could be some foreshadow. So you do want to be Demon King and world domination. I don't think that's true. Oh no. Oh no. This is peer pressure to put all the weight on her. And then they doing that behind school doors too. My goodness. Oh my god. Who do you think you're talking to? I'm broke. Oh, it's still alive. Yikes, she ripped the bottom part off. Oh! Oh, that's evil. Stop it. Oh, yeah, that's some good food right there. I feel that. I feel that. Oh, I feel that. Maybe he stood up for her. That's nice of her to do that. I like that a lot. Oh, my heart. What? She bought up the whole stove? Yeah, she bought up the whole stove. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. Oh. Oh man. Hold on. Yeah. Explosion. Yeah, that's the goal. Once a day. And that's what we've been doing too. That's what she wants. Yeah, there's a lot of production behind that. Oh man. There was something very heart crunching about that though. This was really a good moment with those two. The explosion. Oh, that hits every time. That's going to be her. Oh, I feel it. Yeah. Get that body. We'll get that body last episode of this right here. That really makes you appreciate that movie. Oh, what? Oh. You killed it again? Oh, wholesome. She really killed it. Oh, crap. The house. Oh, man. Where's Komeko? Oh, wow. It's serious. Alright, guys, there you have it. That was Konosuba, An Explosion on This Wonderful World, episodes 3 and 4. Alright, so, especially taking it from episode 4, you really see that before you, like, they don't never want to admit it, or maybe they don't ever want to admit it, but truly their rivalry is their friendship. Really, it's their friendship. They're competing with each other. Everything. It's really the core thing of their friendship. They're like really the best of friends when you put it there. Megumi won't ever admit it, but she's so smug. But that is what it is. I love the Konosuba, God's blessing in this wonderful world, hints that they was throwing in there about, especially the little scene where Megumi had her little fantasy about her being with a party, her being the Demon King herself. I don't know if she'll go that far, but definitely I was like, oh, wait a minute, are you giving away spoilers about the actual show? And that's later on down the light novel that I haven't read, but possibly. But yeah, I love how epic it looked, and that's one hell of a party she got. It looked just like, it kind of looked just like them, especially Darkness, but yeah. And then the whole hero thing, I'm just like, yeah, man, definitely making me. That hero is definitely one hell of a guy. That would cheat, steal, drop kick anybody, drop kick any woman. That would drop kick any woman, he said these things to her and steal their literally steal their panties away, including hers, and you know, just raise it up. Yeah, that's definitely what that is. Yes, that's one hell of a guy. Oh man, that makes Konosuba even like the original show even more just so loved. Yeah, great. So very touching with Yu and Megami though. Yu was trying to match up points, keep level up points and stuff right next to Megami so they can graduate together. But she could have been really Yu could have been did that. But hey, you know, it's just what it is for them. I really do feel for Yu, truly do. You know. Then at the end too, like it got serious. The house was destroyed and everything. So we'll find out about that. And yes, that's her real love for explosion magic. You know, she knows the risk. She knows all about falling out. And like we make so much fun about it, but that is what she knew about all along. She knew about the risk. She knew about she only gonna be able to cast it once a day. And you know, it's funny, but that is what it is. So, yeah, man, I truly do appreciate this show, though. Really do. So, thank y'all so much for watching, man. What y'all thought about that? If you'd like to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And I'm sure to see you all in my next one. Sayonara.